Have you ever been hurt so badly that it felt like a wound that would never heal? Maybe someone betrayed you, lied to you, used you, walked away when you needed them the most. It's a pain that lingers, a scar that reminds you of what they did. And in moments like these, the thought of revenge crosses your mind. But what if I told you that the best revenge isn't about hurting them back? It's about something much bigger, something that will truly make them regret ever crossing you. Stay with me till the end, because this is going to change how you see revenge forever. Let's be honest. When someone wrongs us, our first instinct is to get even. Maybe you want them to suffer the way you suffered. Maybe you want them to know how it feels. But here's the truth. The moment you focus on revenge, you give them power over you. You become trapped in a cycle of pain. And the worst part? They might not even care. So, what is the best revenge? Number 1. Success is the ultimate payback. The best way to make someone regret hurting you is to rise above it, to become so successful, so happy, so fulfilled that their actions no longer have any impact on you. When you turn your pain into power, you prove that they were never important enough to break you. Think about the greats: Steve Jobs, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk. All of them faced rejection, betrayal, and humiliation. But instead of wasting their energy on revenge, they channeled it into success. And guess what? The people who doubted them, who hurt them, had to watch as they soared to unimaginable heights. So ask yourself, what can I do today to make my future self proud? What goals can I set? What dreams can I chase? Because when you level up, you don't just win, you silence everyone who ever doubted you. Number 2, inner peace. Will confuse them. Have you ever noticed that nothing frustrates toxic people more than seeing you unbothered? They want a reaction. They want you to break. But when you walk away with your head high, when you heal, when you smile like they never existed, that's the real victory. Forgiveness isn't about letting them off the hook. It's about freeing yourself. Holding on to hate is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. But when you let go, you reclaim your peace. Imagine their shock when they realize they don't have control over your emotions anymore. Imagine their frustration when they see you glowing, happy, successful, without them. That is the best revenge. Number 3, living your best life while they stay stuck. There's something poetic about karma. People who intentionally hurt others often get stuck in their own misery. While you're out there growing, evolving, building, they remain in the same toxic cycles. Have you ever seen someone who wronged you years ago and they're still in the same place, bitter, lost, unhappy? That's not coincidence. That's the universe balancing things out. So don't waste your time plotting revenge. Instead, invest in yourself. Read books, hit the gym, build a business, travel, meet new people. The best revenge is not even thinking about them while they're still checking on you. Number 4, let karma handle the rest. Life has a funny way of dealing with people who hurt others. You don't have to do anything. Karma works on its own timeline. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day they will feel the weight of their actions. The best part? You won't even care anymore, because you'll be too busy winning, too busy living, too busy being the best version of yourself. So here's the truth. The best revenge isn't anger. It isn't getting even. It's becoming untouchable. It's being so successful, so at peace, so happy that their actions mean nothing to you. The next time someone hurts you, don't seek revenge. Seek growth. Seek greatness. Seek a life so fulfilling that they become irrelevant. And when that happens, you've already won.